Hello students, today we are going to learn new lesson 1.2 Dick Whittington and his cat. Okay, now let's start reading. There was once a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. He had no proper home for both his parents had died and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. One day, Dick overheard someone say that the streets of London were filled with gold and he decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune off in gold pieces from the streets, for he thought people might treat him more kindly if he were rich. In first paragraph, name of the boy Dick Whittington. Okay, and he was a very poor boy, and also he he was an orphan because of he had no parents. Okay, one day he heard someone said that the streets of London were filled with gold. Okay, then he believed that go there and luck his fortune. Then he became a rich. Then he thought that people might treat him more kindly. Okay, so here first question we also okay given according to first paragraph. What innocent belief made Dick decided to go to London? Okay, the innocent belief that the streets of London were filled with gold made Dick decided to go to London. Okay, now second page. So young Dick set out to walk to London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped and asked him. Okay, he met a carter. Okay, he asked him if he was running away from home. Then, I have no home, said okay, said Dick. Okay, I am on my way to London to find my fortune. I am going to London myself, said the carter. Okay, jump up here beside me and we will journey together. Okay, here carter also going to London. Okay, we will journey together means we means here both. Okay, Carter and Dick. They arrived in London just before nightfall, and the Carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. Okay, here Carter settled in INN. Inn means a hotel providing overnight lodging for travelers. Okay, poor Dick stood alone and looked around him in dismay. Dismay means great disappointment. Where was all that fine gold? All he could see were dirty streets and lots of unfriendly people. He had nowhere to sleep, and in the end, he spent the night in the corner of an alley where he hoped he would come to no harm. Okay, finally, he okay, slept in the corner of an alley. Alley means a narrow passage between or behind buildings. The next morning, Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very angry. He wandered around begging for food, but again and again people shouted at him. The following what happened when he woke up, he feeling very cold, unhappy, and angry. Okay, he wandered means aimlessly, okay, begging for food, but how the people react here means go away, you lazy fellow, be off with you, and aimed angry blows at his head. At, at last, he collapsed in the street and lay there, too weak to look further for food. By chance, Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. Okay, here finally he collapsed means okay, falling down in front of the Mr. Fitzwarren house. Okay, he was a rich merchant. Okay, the cook was trying to drive Dick away. Okay, the cook was trying to drive away from in front of the house. When Mr. Fitzwarren returned home from inspecting his ships, he stopped and said to Dick, Okay, here a question asked by the Mr. Warren to the Dick. Why don't you work if you need food? Okay, here. I would work, said Dick, but I know nobody who will give me anything to do. Okay, he replied to the Mr. Warren. Okay, because of he was an orphan. Okay, now second question we okay, yeah, corner margin of the page. What hardship did he face and arriving in London? Okay, Dick arrived in London just before nightfall. He had no place to sleep and he finally slept in the corner in a of a narrow lane. The following morning, Dick woke up feeling cold, miserable, and hungry. He begged for food, but people shouted at him and hit him angrily on his head. He finally collapsed and lay there, too weak to look further for food. Okay, now second seventh page. Okay, here take him to the kitchen. Mr. Pridgewaran ordered to the cook. Feed him first and then find some work for him. Okay. The Mr. Pridgewaran was a very kind person. Okay, kind person. So that's why he ordered to the cook. Feed him means first of all give some food to eat. Eating him. Then you give him some work. Okay, so Dick was given a home and a living. He had a small corner of the attic. Attic here means a small room inside a pointed roof. Sleep, okay, he sleep on that place. Okay, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Okay, so he got a job in the Mr. Pridgewaran house. His duty, Miss Dick duty was to help the cook to clean the utensils. Means home needs. Okay. Dick's life should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. Okay. Then also having difficulties with him. Okay. So what difficulties is facing in the Mr. Pidgewaran house. Okay. Now the first was that the attic is slept was overrun by the rats and mice. At night they scampered all over him and kept him awake. Scampered means ran here and there, means disturb the Dick. After a time, he swallowed this problem by saving the few pennies he was paid and buying himself a cat. Okay, finally he got an idea. Okay, how to overcome his problem. Okay, finally he buy a cat. In no time at all, the cat chased all the rats and mice, and Dick was able to sleep peacefully. Okay, the first problem is solved. Okay, now second one, the other difficulty which was not so easy to overcome means overcome succeed in dealing with a problem, but second difficulty was not possible to solve. Okay, the second difficulty was the cook's bad temper. Okay, she shouted and screamed all day and would scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon even when he was working as hard as he could. Okay, he was doing a lot that much of work. Then also cook hit him with a wooden spoon and also scold on him. Okay, one night Dick decided he could stand it no more. Okay, means he decided that he want to leave that place. Early in the next morning, Early the next morning, before the cook was up, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. Means he want to reach another place and to select his luck. The two of them walked. Two of them means here Dick and his cat. Okay, walked as far as Alloway. On their way out of London, then Dick sat down on a stone to rest. It was the first November, All Saints Day. Okay, here All Saints Day means it is a Christian festival, honor of all the saints in heaven. Okay, it was actually celebrated every year in the month of 1st November. Okay, 1st of November. And as Dick sat and he listened, it seemed they were ringing out a message for him. Turn again, Whittington, though worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. He listened something, ringing, Lord Mayor of London, okay, you turn back again. Lord Mayor of London, said Dick, I should like to be a Mayor and ride in a fine coach. I can put off it. A few scolding from the cook if that is what is in store for me. So Dick and his cat retraced. Okay, when he listened that bell rang and he listened that message. Okay, then finally he so Dick and his cat retraced means so back again their steps to Mr. Fitzwarren's house. Luckily, they were able to slip back before they had been missed. Now, Mr. Fitzwarren used to send ships for across the sea to trade with other countries. He would load a ship with goods for the captain and ships crave to sell in faraway places, and then they would bring back goods that could be sold at home. Okay, here Mr. Fitzwarren doing his duty, that is trading, okay, or selling his goods in the other countries. Okay, now here we in this page we can see the questions on margin paper. How did Mr. Fitzwarren favor Dick? Okay, Mr. Fitzwarren favored Dick by ordering the cook to take him to the kitchen, feed him, and then find some work for him. Okay, now what difficulties did Dick have to face at Mr. Fitzwarren house? Okay, here Mr. Fitzwarren faced two difficulties. One is overrun by the rats and mice, and second one is cook's bad temper. Okay, now third question, how did the cat prove to be very useful? Okay, the cat chased away all the rats and mice. Okay, then Dick was able to sleep peacefully. Now your final last question, what inspired Dick to return back to Mr. Fitzwarren's home? When Dick sat down on a stone to rest, he heard the church bells ring, and as he listened, it seemed that they were ringing a message for him, telling him that he should go back home and calling him the Mayor of London. Okay, now thank you. I will make second video. Okay, thank you all.